I'm going to quickly show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without using a USB. First, let's make sure that your PC is compatible with Windows 11. Go to the first link in the description and click on this download button at the bottom of the page. Once it's downloaded, install the application. Once it opens up, click on Check Now. If there are any issues with compatibility, the application will let you know what it is. In my case, I have TPM 2.0 deactivated. To activate it, I just have to change it from the BIOS. You might have a different issue or none at all. If you do have an issue, Google will be your best friend. You can try to fix the issues listed over here and come back to this application to see if it's resolved. As you can see, I've successfully enabled TPM and now this PC is ready for Windows 11. Now let's download the Windows 11 installer. To do that, click on the second link in the description. Then scroll down to this Download Windows 11 Disk Image section. Here in the drop-down, select this option and click on Download Now. Now we have to make sure to download Windows 11 in the same language as our Windows 10 PC. This is important because otherwise the installer can fail. To check the installed language, just open up the Start menu and search up CMD. Run it as an administrator. Then type in DISM space /online space /get-intl and hit enter. Here, next to Default System UI Language, you should see your installed language of Windows. For me, it's English United States. So that's what I need to pick from this drop-down over here. Once you've picked the correct language, click on Confirm. Then click on 64-bit download. Now the ISO file will start downloading. Once the ISO file is downloaded, right-click it and click on Properties. Next to the Opens With section, click on this Change button. Make sure Windows Explorer is selected. Now you can apply and close this window. Now double-click on the ISO file. This would mount the file as if you have a drive connected to your PC. Then open the file named Setup. Click on Next. It might take a couple of minutes to get through the Update section. Click on Change What to Keep. Here, you have the option to perform a clean, fresh install or to keep all your files and software and update to Windows 11. You can choose any option you prefer. Double check that you picked the right option and click on Next. Again, make sure this is set to the option that you want, and then click on Install. Now Windows 11 will start installing. It might take a couple of minutes for the whole process to complete. As you can see, we upgraded to Windows 11 and all my apps and data are still here. If you go into your C drive, you would see a Windows.old folder. This holds the data from your previous version of Windows. This is useful because if you want to go back to Windows 10 within 10 days, you can. By going to Recovery and Settings, you can click on Go Back if you want to go back to Windows 10. If you are happy with your Windows 11 install, feel free to delete this Windows.old folder to save some space. For those of you who decided to do a fresh install of Windows 11, you might find this video on screen helpful.